Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the screenshot option available in the MS Word. So how to use that screenshot, how to edit that screenshot and how to delete that screenshot. So first we will see where that screenshot is available. So for that you have to go to the insert tab. Inside the insert tab you can see the illustration part. In illustration you can see a screenshot. So this option is available for you to insert the picture of any program or web page that is not minimized in the taskbar. So if you want to take a screenshot of any document, then you have to keep it open in the background of your document. So if I want to insert something from the web page, then I have to keep it open in the background. So now I want to make a procedure for downloading the Python software. So I have written some procedure over here, but it is not a user friendly. So I have to put some images in that. For that I have to put the images step by step. First step is to open the Google home page and type there a Python download. So for that I have to keep the open Google home page and there I have to type the Python download like this. So this I want inside my document. This screenshot I want inside my document. For that I have to go to the insert, then screenshot, screen clipping, and I will take the screenshot like this. Screenshot of this portion and it will get inserted. Then open the link. So for that I have to give the Google search again and I have to give the link which I want to tell to open. So I keep it open behind my MS Word and again I will go to the insert, take the screenshot, screen clipping, and I will take the screenshot of this link and I will tell to open this link when you Google search the Python download. Next thing is the select download option. For that again I have to go to the Google search, click on the Python download. Now this page I have to take a screenshot. For that again insert screenshot, screen clipping, and the portion you want to take a screenshot, you can just take it like this and tell to download the software. In this way you can create a user friendly manual to download or install or anything you want by putting a screenshot of that actual location. So this is very useful if you are creating such type of manual to download any downloading procedure or anything like that. Now if you want to edit the screenshot, you have to just select the screenshot and this format tool will open and from here you can edit the screenshot. Sometimes it may happen that you have taken the screenshot little bit bigger. From here you can crop that screenshot also. Just click on the crop and you can crop the screenshot if you wish. So in this way you can edit the screenshot by using the format option through picture tool. So if you want to delete it now, if you don't want this screenshot in that position, then you can just select that screenshot and delete, press the delete button and it will be removed. Now if you want to cut it from here, you can also cut from here and paste it somewhere else. So once you take a screenshot, you can make a changes in that screenshot also. So for taking a screenshot, just you have to keep in your mind that whichever thing you want to take a screenshot, it should be open in the background of your MS Word. Like I want to take a screenshot of the web page, that's why I have put it in the background of my MS Word. If you want to take a screenshot of any document, then that document should be in the background of your new document from where you can take the screenshot of the another document. So in this way the screenshot is very useful and very handy if you want to create some procedures or if you want to put some actual images then this screenshot is very much handy. Thank you.